So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss how to identify whether two registers are in series or parallel. Okay, so let's get started. So here these are two registers, okay, and these two registers are connected in series, okay. So if only one terminal of two registers are directly connected by a conducting wire without having any battery or resistor or other circuit elements, even if other wires or ground etc in between them, okay. So if two resistors are directly connected by a single wire, just okay, if these two resistors are directly connected by just a single wire, okay, like this directly connected, then these two resistors are said to be in series connection. Okay, so nothing should be present in between these two resistors, okay, except this only one single conductor, okay. So they should be connected directly, okay. If only one terminals of two resistors are directly connected by a conducting wire, okay, then these two resistors are said to be in series, okay. अगर दो रजिस्टर डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड हुए हैं, बीच में कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए, ओके, इन बिटवीन देम देयर शुड नॉट बी नथिंग, ओके, ये वाला जो पर्सन है यहाँ पे और कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए, ओके, then these two resistors are said to be in series, okay. In series connection, same current flows through the both of the resistors, okay, and the V equivalent is equal to V1 plus V2. That means the summation of potential difference across individual resistor is equal to the potential difference across their combination, okay. So in this case, the formula for equivalent resistance is given by R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2 equal to summation of their resistances, okay. Here the important thing is nothing should be present in this position, okay. There should be only one single connection, okay. So next, how to identify whether two resistors are in parallel. So this is one resistor and this is another resistor, okay. So these are the two terminals of this resistor and these are the two terminals of this resistor, okay. These two resistors are said to be in parallel if VA equal to VC and VB equals to VD, okay. That means the potential of this terminal should be equal to the potential of this terminal and the potential of this terminal should be equal to the potential of this one, okay. That means we can say that if anyhow we can join the point A with point C and point B with point D by a conducting wire, okay, we have to join this point with this point, okay, by a conducting wire anyhow, and this point we have to join with this point, okay, by the help of a conducting wire, okay. If we can do this, then these two resistors are said to be in parallel, okay. So point A is to be connected with the point C and point B is to be connected with point D by a conducting wire, okay. Anyhow we have to join this terminal with this terminal, okay, and this terminal with this terminal of the second resistor, okay. That means the potential of A should be equal to the potential of C and the potential of B should be equal to potential of D, okay. And while connecting these wires, the concept that we have to use is conducting wire means same potential, okay. So we have to make the potential of this point to be equal to the potential of this point, okay, and similarly the potential of this point to be equal to this point, okay. Since this is a conducting wire and we know that conducting wire means same potential, okay, so this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, and all these points have the same potential. So ultimately VA equals to VB, and similarly since the point B and D are joined by a conducting wire, so they are at same potential, so VB equals to VD. So हमें क्या करना है, so you have to do nothing, हमें बस ये वाला पॉइंट और ये वाला पॉइंट को एक कंडक्टिंग वायर के माध्यम से जोड़ना है और ये वाला पॉइंट को बी वाला पॉइंट से कंडक्टिंग वायर से किसी भी तरह जोड़ना है, ओके. इफ यू आर एबल टू डू दिस then these two resistors are said to be in parallel, okay. So you have to connect this end, okay, starting from this to this, okay, by a conducting wire. इसके बीच में कोई रजिस्टर या फिर कोई बैटरी नहीं होना चाहिए, फिर एनी अदर इलेक्ट्रिकल एलिमेंट्स नहीं होने चाहिए. दिस टू पॉइंट्स शुड बी connected directly by a conducting wire. Similarly these 2 points should be connected to each other by a conducting wire, okay. So let's see some of the examples, okay. Let's say I have a circuit like this. Okay, now all of these resistors let's say have a value of R, okay. Now let's say I want the relation between this and this resistor, okay. So I want to check whether these two resistors are in parallel or not, okay. So this resistor has two terminal, let's say it's a terminal A and it is the terminal B, okay. Similarly this resistor has two terminal C and this is the terminal D, okay. So I have to connect this terminal with this one by a conducting wire, and similarly I have to connect this point with this, okay, by the help of conducting wire, okay. So I started from here and I come in this wire, okay, and I have to join this point, okay. Similarly I have to join this point with this point of the second resistor, okay. So if I am able to connect them, then these two resistors are said to be in parallel, okay. So here these 2 points are connected. Similarly these 2 points are also connected, okay, by the conducting wires, okay. So these two resistors are said to be in parallel. Similarly if I see these two resistors, okay, they are also connected by the conducting wire, okay. So these are also in parallel, okay. Similarly these two resistors you can check, you have to start from here and you have to go and you have to anyhow join this point, okay. Similarly you have to join this point with this point, okay. In this manner you can find out whether two resistors are in parallel or not, okay. So in case of parallel connection, the R equivalent is given by 1 upon R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, or in other words R equivalent equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. That means the product of their resistance upon summation, okay. So thank you for watching this video.